my daughter, who was relatively young while I was finishing up the scholar denied, and she said, "Dad, why is it not the scholars denied?" And I
Mm.
said, "You really have a great point there, because there have been many scholars denied." In fact, somebody like Patricia Hill Collins, I mean, she showed exactly what it meant to be ignorant about the experiences and the knowledge of Black women, for example.
That's right.
The knowledge of Black women had been excluded from the academy as well. And so what I would say to this is that we must forever think about our ignorance. We must never think that somehow we're the enlightened ones. We must know that there are large bodies of work out there now that have not been unearthed and studied. And it is our poverty because we cannot understand the world the way we should understand it because we don't have all of these perspectives.